Hi everyone, I am Pallavi KV. In this video, we are going to discuss about hormones and its classification. Introduction. Hormones are chemical messengers that are secreted into the blood. The word hormone is derived from the Greek meaning to excite. Glands that secretes the hormones directly into the bloodstreams are called as endocrine glands. The study of hormones and their interaction is called as endocrinology. Next one is hormones. A hormone is a chemical signal that is secreted into the circulatory system and communicates regulatory messages within the body. Hormones may reach all parts of the body, but only certain types of cells, target cells, are equipped to respond. Signaling by any of these molecules involves three key events. They are reception, signal transduction, response. First one is reception. A cell detects a signaling molecules from outside of the cell. And second one is signal transduction. When the signaling molecule binds the receptor, it changes the receptor protein. Third one is response. Signal triggers a specific cellular response. Next one is properties of hormones. Hormones are produced by a specialized glands and secreted directly into the blood streams. Hormones are transported by the bloodstream from the endocrine cell to serve as a chemical messenger, which act on target cells or organs by regulating the rates of specific metabolic reactions. Hormones exert their effects not where they are locally produced, but on other tissue of the body. Hormones belonging to different types of chemical structure. They may be steroids, proteins, or amino acid derivatives. They are low molecular weight. These are the properties of hormones. Another one is functions of hormones. There are many types of hormones that act on different aspects of bodily functions and processes. Some of these include development and growth, metabolism of food items, sexual function and reproductive growth and health, cognitive function and mood, maintenance of body temperature. These are the functions of hormones. Next, we move into the classification of hormones. Hormones can be classified according to their chemical nature, mechanism of action, nature of action, stimulation of endocrine glands, and effects of hormones. Classification of hormones. Hormones are classified into two types: chemical structure and mechanism of action. In chemical structure, they are classified into three types. One is peptide hormones, amino hormones, steroid hormones. In mechanism of action, they are classified into two groups: group 1 hormones and group 2 hormones. These are the classification of hormones. Next one is mechanism of action. Group 1 hormone, group 2 hormones. Group 1 hormones. Group 1 hormones bind to intracellular receptor to form receptor complexes mediate biochemical functions. Lipophilic in nature. They are mostly derivatives of cholesterol. These activated complexes will move into the nucleus of the target cell to DNA, acting as a transcription factors for a gene expression. DNA, mRNA, protein causes biochemical changes in the cell. Next, another one is group 2 hormones. Water soluble hormone include peptide hormones. They are hydrophilic and lipophobic, means they cannot freely crosses the plasma membrane. They bind to receptor on the surface of the cell, which are typically coupled to internally anchored proteins. This process is called signal transaction because the external signal is transduced internal intermediaries. The use of second messengers enables the amplification of the initial signal as more molecules are activated. Peptide hormones include insulin, glucagon, leptin, ADH, and oxytocin.